Hey guys, today I just want to talk to you about the Waka Waka trading robot. To a lot of people, this is meant to be one of the best trading robots out there, and to be honest, I've been using it for quite a while now, and indeed, it is a grid martingale type system, and I've been calling this the safe martingale because it has been a lot safer than the other ones which I've seen. However, on the author's page and the author's main account, you can see there's a hefty drawdown. That's the yellow bar here. Probably the biggest one that it's had for a while. You can see this has been running since June 2018, so a good 6 years, almost 6 years. And if you look here, you can see there is I mean, it's not a large account by any means, but there is currently a 32% drawdown on this account, which is quite large. And this is all on the Aussie Kiwi pair. It's looking for a sell. Obviously, it keeps on going up and it's selling. There's Aussie Kiwi. Look at it on the daily chart. Can't see it on the daily chart. Alright, so here we are. You see it's been selling since this point. Sell, sell, sell. It keeps on going up. It needs to come down a lot more before it makes a profit. So yeah, we shall see how this goes. Obviously, on my Waka Waka account and pickaxe, I'm using my own set files, and the drawdown has recovered, so that's all fine. It's made a 77%. I obviously haven't been running as long, been just over a year now. March 2023, it's now April 2024, and it's made 77% return. And if you want to copy this is available on our Patreon site. It's under the Safe Martingale account. You can copy this and benefit from this. I did also have a look at what is out there on MyFX book. There's another person here trading it. They're also since March, February, the drawdown is 60% on this account. So that's not looking good. And I saw this one, but that hasn't been updated. I was surprised actually to see so few trackers for Waka Waka on MyFX book. I expected to see a lot more, but these are the only ones which I could find. Yeah, it just goes to show that there's no such thing as a guaranteed profit or a guaranteed trading robot that's going to be making money all the time. For many years, the Waka Waka, so 2018, been making a profit. It still could make a profit. It's still in a drawdown, but it could recover. The author did post something on his Telegram channel just to acknowledge the drawdown. He did say that potentially he could be putting money into this to allow it to survive. At some point, obviously, markets go up and down. We can't expect the market to keep going up. It is way overextended to the upside. We are expecting it to come down, and if it does, and it should do, it at some point it will recover. But drawdowns are there, and they can be pretty scary. And it just goes to show that there is no such thing as a sure thing when it comes to trading with trading bots. And this does remind me of the Northeast Way trading robot, which also had a good few years. It had millions, I think it was almost like 50 million US dollars trading behind it, and that also went down after a number of years, and did also run for about 5 years before that crashed. And when these things crash, they go down pretty fast. So that's a risk that you're prepared to take. The only real thing that you can do is to continue to take money out of the profits. But one thing that you do need to be aware is, if you see here the gain and the absolute gain, they're two different figures, and this is because it takes very small profits. A big chunk of the profits have been taken up in the commissions, so that's where that's gone, the missing profits. So you see it has taken some losses in the past, but right now this would be a huge drop. If it were to liquidate now, it would take it all the way down to 2022, so 2 years worth of profits. If we were if the author were to liquidate at this point, would be gone in an instant. And as you can see, it's only taken a couple of days to get to this level. So that is the danger of grid martingale systems that you just need to be aware of. Okay, that's it for my update. We'll speak to you soon.